What is up, Miss Jason, okay, and welcome to Cluster Truck. A pun on clusterfuck. If you don't know what this game is, have you been living under a fucking rock? This is a parkour... I'm trying to think of a good way to describe it. This is a parkour... sort of... Oh, it saves all my progress. It's a bit of a weird game. Basically, what you do is you hop between all of these trucks in order to reach the finish line, which is over here. Looks simple, right? Generally, you'd think this is quite an easy game to play. I have already beaten, like, the first two worlds. I can't resist playing games that I like to look at. And generally it is, until the trucks start exploding and flying everywhere like you just saw. That's when things start to get complicated. Eventually, as you see, entire buildings start coming down just because the trucks hit them. Which makes for some very interesting scenarios and ways to win. Oh, like that! I actually won! Holy crap! You can bounce off of... You can bounce off of fallen terrain. You can't bounce off of just standard terrain. You can do, like, flips and stuff. Oh! Oh, you can't. That was what? Oh, okay. I think they just give you style points. I'm not sure if they actually give you any added speed or anything. It does make it cool. Woo! The first world is quite easy, but it does start to get complicated the more you go on. You can, like, run on the side of trucks and actually run up them to give yourself more advantages in terms of speed and height and all that. It's a very fun game. It's very much adrenaline thing. You start, you know, the music, the fucking heavy guitar as well. Oh Jesus! Oh fuck! Oh, in situations like that, where something just comes crashing down and all the trucks just fucking bump into each other. It's the reason why people play this game. Oh shit! Ah! No! Ah! Ah! I thought I was gonna be able to make it. Oh Jesus, that. Yeah. The trucks like to crash into each other a lot as well. So you just kind of have situations where there's massive pilots. Oh. Nice job, mate. I'm good at this game, I swear. Move! Don't know where I am. Don't know where I'm going. Got no way of knowing where the fuck. Truck! 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 Fuck! Woo! Hey! I actually got past it before it things. Fucked it over. That's good. Oh no, this is... Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh! That's what I meant to do, obviously. As you could tell by my victory screech. Okay. Okay, okay, okay! Woo! Oh no. I think this is the last level of the world. Oh, fuck no, it's this one. I remember this being an absolute pain in the ass when I was playing on my own. Yet. Oh! Okay. No! Didn't realize I hit it. Alright, is this the... Oh wait, no, this is the last. Oh, it's this. Oh, fuck. Oh, this one's a very interesting one. Oh, shit. No. Woo! Oh, there's another head. Up! Whoa! Oh, that did! Half the time it's just fun to see all the truck spiral out of control. I'm gonna sit here and die. Oh! No, please don't swap a course. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Woo! Alright. Let's go. Hey guys, Mr. Jazzonic here, or Nate if you prefer, I don't mind either. I just want to thank you for watching this video. There is actually a bit more of the construct video that I haven't completely edited yet, but I kind of want to do something a bit different with this. Cluster Destructors is of course split up into worlds, so I thought it'd be a cool idea to go through and challenge myself to beat the entire game. The way that I want to do that is by going in and beating every single world in a different episode. So this one's a bit shorter because of course the first world is, you know, quite short, it's quite easy, it's introduction to the game. But the episodes should get longer and longer as time goes on. I've been wanting to make a couple of series like this during 2016. A few little different things which I might talk about in the future, but I ain't going to talk about right here because it's an outro slide. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and if you want to follow my content, please subscribe and make sure that little bell thing's on because, you know, YouTube's always broken. If there's any game that you want me to play, just tell me in the comments and I'll see if I can get my hands on it. I will happily play it for you. For anyone who's worried about where Alice or where Off is, I'm going to be making an update video later explaining everything that's coming out. It's probably going to come out tomorrow, so Sunday. So look out for that, and hopefully I should have content made for the rest of the week after. So, thank you all for watching, I'll see you next time. Peace.